Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, today's video is totally different than all the other videos because this is a frustrating video to make. I just received this Astronoi, whatever it is, name. It has a ton of reviews and I need a multimeter and I ordered this one. It came in a day. The only problem is, and I don't make a lot of these videos because usually this doesn't happen, but I'm getting quite frustrated with this, especially with Amazon. They're delivering products and they're actually receiving used things back. So it's not really Amazon's fault, but kind of is because they are the facilitator of the product. The product was all, box is all damaged and used, which is annoying. And they keep shipping everything in those stupid paper bags. Now, if you're experiencing the same problem, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if this is happening to you. It keeps happening, especially with delicate electronics. They're throwing things in bags. Now, the problem is that someone gets this, they don't like it. They send it back as not used, okay? And it gets recycled back into the system and gets thrown out again. So these boxes will not hold up. The second thing was very, very, very upsetting because I really want to get this, right? I ordered another one. That's how frustrating it is. It came in the package. The problem is somebody already opened it and used it. So here's the bag. This should be shrink wrapped. It was not. It's all scratched on the back. They must have used it. Missing a few pieces. This is not wrapped like it should be. The leads usually have a wrap around them, like a tie. All the manuals, everything were crunched in there. So this is a frustrating thing. If this is frustrating to you, leave me a comment. Let me know if this is happening to you too. This is not a long video. I ordered a new one today. It'll probably come in the mail, and I'm going to leave a very detailed return on this because I'm tired of this happening. It happens a lot. And if it happens a lot to you, getting damaged boxes in used products, let me know, guys. Leave me some comments so we can get together and try to figure this out and just try to. I know it's like fighting the giant, but maybe we can make a difference if we have enough of reviews or enough people talking about this. So let me know. Leave me some comments. I mean, it's already been. This should be wrapped like this. That's how they're supposed to come, because I see other people's reviews and I need to do some testing on some capacitors, and that's why I ordered this, and it's got a lot of good reviews. So it's not the company's fault. So far, we'll have to do it. When I get the new one, I'm doing a full review and we'll do a quick test on it and see what I think about using it. But we'll see. Let's just go like that. Let's just leave it where it is. So I'm kind of frustrated. I got to keep sending things back, and then Amazon complains while we're sending things back because people don't use the system correctly. All right, enough of my rant. If this happens to you, leave me some comments down below, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Quick video just to let me know. If this is happening to you, let me know. I appreciate it so I can pass the word on. All right, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you at the next review, and when I get the new one, we'll do a proper unboxing. We'll do some testing on it, and I'll give you my thoughts about this product. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next review.